guys, showing you guys this new device that I started using. What I'll do is put a link down in the description of the video where you guys can contact me. I'm going to put my actual phone number also on the bottom of the video. So if you guys are interested in contacting me to get this device, let me know. I will be programming them to any and every and any make cars. Just send me a year, make, and model and a message. Contact me on Instagram or Facebook, or just drop me a message under the video. Like I said, I'm going to leave my number too also. So basically what this is a device that makes your car, your phone into a keyless entry device. So basically what you're going to be doing is when you get the device from me, what it's going to be is it's going to be this dongle itself. And then all you got to do is put in your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. You put in key DIY entry. Then you click on key DIY entry. So then you click on install. Then you install. So this dongle right here, while we're downloading this dongle goes in your OBD2 port. This will be programmed to your vehicle. So all you have to do is sync your car's unlock and lock buttons to this controller. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. So this plugs into your OBD2 port. It just plugs right in. It's super easy and simple. Just... okay, I gotta flip it. Goes right in. See? Okay. Now it's in the OBD2 port. Yeah, I know my car is dirty. Alright. Don't start the car. Don't do anything on the car. Just when the app uploads, you go to open. Okay. Then you agree to the privacy. Then you turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. Say I know. Then you allow. Then you hit one of these lock and unlock buttons. It says please bind your device. So what it's going to do is make a connection to the Bluetooth dongle. So just click on bind device, click on to search, then you click on key entry, then you hit 0006000. All right, so I got to sort it out. If it doesn't work, always make sure that the car is off when you're doing this, because it pairs even with the vehicle off. So basically it'll say this, click on search, then you enter the 6 zeros, then it'll go to key DIY entry on the top here. So now it's paired with the vehicle. So now it's paired with the OBD2 port. So now we got to program it to the car itself. Now everybody knows with the Hondas and Acuras, if you guys are purchasing this bundle from me, let me know. Basically, all you have to do now is basically put the key in the ignition, turn it to the on position, hit lock on the phone, turn it off, turn it back on, hit the lock on the phone, turn it off, turn it back on, hit the lock on the phone, turn it off, turn it back on, hit the lock on your phone, and the door lock cycle. Then you hit lock one more time on the device. The doors will cycle again. Then you hit the lock button on your remote. Then you turn off the ignition. Take out the key. Then you hit the lock and unlock. And as you can see, I'm going to hit the lock, unlock, lock, and the doors are locking and unlocking using the device. Unlock, lock, unlock from my phone. Okay, now I'm gonna back out of the car and show you guys that it works for the trunk pop too. Pop the trunk. Trunk pops also using your phone. Okay, then we have the panic button here also. Panic button works, everything functions. Then we also have a couple other options I'm gonna show you guys right now. A couple other options that you guys do have is custom options, where you can go to this menu here. You can always change the passcode to whatever passcode that you want. And the Bluetooth settings is just this. Then you got the function settings where you can lock and rise all windows when you lock the door. I haven't done that yet. Double press of the trunk. You can make it a smart door, so whenever you walk towards the door, the car automatically unlocks. You can double press the power key on your phone and it'll unlock the doors. You can power key plus shake. So you basically shake your phone, you hit the power key and shake your phone, and it unlocks the door. Bright screen open, I guess when you unlock the phone, that it the screen opens and then it unlocks. So what I have it set is to smart door. You can put it on any one of these by pressing this button. So I have it on unlock when connected. So basically when I walk towards the car, it's going to unlock automatically for me. So you can set it to also to lock when you're unconnected. So basically when you walk away from the car, that it unlocks. But I'd rather just use the unlock when connected, because when you walk pretty far away from the car, it takes about at least 15 feet before the doors automatically lock. And I think that's a little dangerous. I don't know. It's up to you guys if you guys want to use that feature or not. But I'd rather just use when I get close to it, probably about 5 feet, then it unlocks automatically like a keyless entry car. Basically, there's other stuff like a skin. So you can basically, where the lock and unlock buttons is on your phone, you can actually change the skin to something else. Like it looks like a different remote on the screen. So these are like some of the different remotes that it'll look like on the screen when you hit the lock and unlock button and trunk pop button and different things like that. So it's a couple of different skins here. So hold on, I'm going to the skin here. So I can actually turn it into the buttons on here, on the screen, into a BMW remote. So right now it's transferring over, it's completing the skin. So instead of showing this, hold on. No, not that. Yes. All right, I'm having an issue with this, but usually it just goes right over into the new skin. All right, well, I'm not really worried about the skins right now. I'm just worried about basically it functioning the way that it should. As you guys can see, all the functions worked. Now I'm going to show you guys when I walk over. What I'm going to do is lock the door, and then I'm going to lock the door from my phone. So I'm going to show you guys right now. This is the lock. I'm going to lock it on the phone. And the button's locked. Hit it again. And I lock the doors. So now I'm going to walk away from the car. Bluetooth is already disconnected, so it's locked. So then let me make sure that option is on. So now I'm going to walk back to the car since I already locked it. And then you'll see the lights flash, showing that the doors unlocked by themselves. And it unlocks. And just like a keyless access car, it automatically unlocks by itself. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them. To like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you guys. If you guys want, drop me a comment on the bottom. I'm going to put my number on the bottom, everything, so you guys can contact me or message me. All right. Peace. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.